everyone, myself Khyati Vyas from JMP English Medium Saraswati Group of Education. Kids, welcome back after your vacations. This is my introductory video. I hope many of you already know who I am and which subject I am dealing with. I hope that for some students I must be a new person. So let me tell you, I am your SS teacher for this academic year. And I want to tell you that SS is a very interesting subject because we learn many things in SS. Say for example, we learn regarding our earth, our solar system, our history, the landforms. Our earth, what do we learn in SS regarding our earth? Yes, we live on planet called Earth. What are planets? That also we learn there. Correct? Then we learn regarding solar system. What is solar system? Yes, the sun and its family. Altogether they are called solar system. Then we have history also to be learned in SS. So what is history? Anything that is related to past or which gives you information regarding the past is called history, right? Say for example, you learn many stories regarding old kings, queens, etc. And it is very famous that India was ruled by British in the beginning, right? Later India became independent in the year 1947. So we have already heard many stories regarding all these things. So all these things combined and it is called history. Then we also have civics. What is civics? It is, in civics we will learn regarding how a particular country is ruled, laws, then regulations and everything, all these things, the government, all these things combine together and form civics. We also learn regarding different landforms. We know that there are mountains, rivers, oceans, sea, plains, plateaus, correct? Desert, forest region. So these all are different types of landforms. In some places there is a desert, some places there is a forest, some places there are oceans. So different landforms, correct? Okay. Now in today's activity, what are we going to do? In today's activity, you will have to take few materials. Which materials do you require? Stone, thermocol. Thermocol you can use instead of stone. Both the things are not required. दोनों चीजों की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आपके घर में स्टोन्स है तो स्टोन्स पर कीजिएगा. स्टोन नहीं है तो थर्मोकॉल को कट करके उनके राउंड सर्कल्स बना के उसके ऊपर भी कर सकते हैं कलरिंग करके. सो दोनों में से किसी एक को ही आपको ले जाना है. You can use glitter pens, not compulsory. Choice is yours. And colors. Colors में भी आप water color या pastel color use कर सकते हैं. Okay? So minimum things are required, and all these things are normally found at home. घर पर ही आपको available है ये सारी चीजें. So no need to go out. Because going out in this situation is dangerous for the kids, right? Okay, so I hope that you will not step out from your house and you will use the things or the materials that are available at your home. Now, what are we going to do? That is, let's explore the sky. The name of the activity is Let's Explore the Sky. Now kids, what all things do you observe in the sky? Sky में कौन-कौन सी चीजें normally होती है? You might say aeroplanes, rockets, sun, moon, stars, correct? Sometimes you also see a rainbow in the sky. So all these things you see in the sky. So now आपको कितनी चीजों के बारे में पता है जो स्काई में आप देख सकते हो? इन चीजों के पिक्चर्स बनाने हैं आपको उन स्टोन्स या थर्मोकॉल्स के ऊपर. एट द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो आई विल फ्लैश अ फोटोग्राफ टू यू. उस फोटोग्राफ में एक आपको आइडिया दिया गया है कि आपको क्या करना है, किस तरह से करना है. एग्जैक्टली वैसा ही करें ये जरूरी नहीं है. इट इज कंप्लीटली अप टू यू. आपको मैं ये परमिशन देती हूँ कि आप अपने हिसाब से कीजिएगा. इस फोटोग्राफ में जो मैं शेयर करूंगी आपको, इस वीडियो के एंड में जो फोटोग्राफ मैं आपको शेयर करूंगी, उस फोटोग्राफ में सिर्फ आपको मैंने एक जनरल आइडिया दिया है कि आपको क्या करना है. आप किस तरह से करते हो दैट इज लेफ्ट टू यू. But I want you kids to do it in a very neat and clean way. Okay? And if you are using a scissor or a blade to do the cutting work, thermocol अगर आप यूज करते हो और कटिंग के लिए ब्लेड या सीजर का यूज करते हो, तो I request you कि don't do it alone. Please आप अपने elders को अपने साथ रखिए. Ask them to supervise you when you are performing this activity. Okay? Because it is not safe for you to use a blade or a scissor without the supervision of your elders. Okay? I hope you will do this activity very nicely and I want you all to perform it. Okay? So promise me that everybody will do it. Right? Show me your thumb. Okay, good. So now आपको इस एक्टिविटी को बनाने के बाद आप क्या करोगे? You have to click the photographs. You have to click the photographs and then send it to me. Or you can also show it to the person who is taking your advisory in the next session. ओके, एडवाइजरी में भी आप दिखा सकते हो और फोटो क्लिक करके भी आप उसे सेंड कर सकते हो. क्लियर किड्स? सो आई एम होपिंग गुड रिजल्ट्स फ्रॉम यू कि आप अपनी तरफ से बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करके उनके फोटोग्राफ्स मुझे भेजोगे. व्हेन यू आर सेंडिंग द फोटोग्राफ, मेक श्योर यू राइट योर नेम एंड योर ग्रेड बिलो द फोटोग्राफ. जब भी आप फोटोग्राफ सेंड करो तो उस फोटो के नीचे आप अपना नेम एंड अपना ग्रेड ये मेंशन करोगे. प्लीज राइट योर फुल नेम. आपको अपना फुल नेम लिखना है. ओके, सो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट सेशन. बाय.